Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make another vegetarian dish, and that is going to be cauliflower rice with dal and fried okra. I bet you never had this before. I hope you're inspired today to make this healthy, delicious meal for your family. So this is the cauliflower rice. Oh my, this is so amazing. Look at this thing. I have a head of cauliflower, 2 cups of dal, some okra, onion, garlic, pepper, and I'm going to add some sun-dried tomatoes to my okra. Some people say okra, some people say okra. Whichever one you say is fine. I hope you like this recipe. I love it. I love cooking, and I hope you've been enjoying these recipes with me. Thank you again for all your support. I'm going to wash this. Coconut oil, cauliflower, add some salt, sun-dried tomatoes, take this out. okra. Okra is looking nice. Still no slime. Looking good. Looks like it's almost done. I just want to check the seeds of the okra. Wow, those are nice. I love the seeds of the okra. Once those are cooked, I'm ready to go. Check the seeds. Nice. Now this little okra is almost done. I don't want to overcook it. I'm going to pull this to the side. And I'm going to add my onion and my sun-dried tomatoes. Just to remove any moisture that is in there. I'm going to mix my okra with that. Add some parsley. A little bit. Some oregano. Give it a stir. A little bit of dried thyme leaves, salt, just a little bit, some black pepper, a little bit, not too much. Now the okra is ready. And this is my delicious okra, my delicious fried okra, not an ounce of slime. Very nice. I hope you will try cooking your okra this way. I hope you're inspired to eat more okra, fried okra. Yummy, yummy. Let me taste. This is ready. Very nice. Lots of flavors. Has just the right amount of salt. And this is ready. Garlic, pepper, salt, turmeric, carrots, pressure, oil, onion, garlic, red chilies, cumin seeds, half a teaspoon coriander, jeera, turmeric, add the dal, taste. Delicious. Add the carrots. It's ready. I bet you never had this before. I hope you are inspired today to make this healthy, delicious meal for your family. And let's dig in. So this is the cauliflower rice. Oh my, this is so amazing. Look at this thing. Oh wow, it tastes so nice with the dal. Let me try it with the okra. Oh wow, this is really nice. Oh, I love it. I really do. And with the sun-dried tomatoes, let me try that. You know, everybody knows that I love tomatoes. Tomato is one of my favorites. Oh wow, this is so nice. Let me try the carrot. Oh wow, this is so well cooked. Tastes so nice with the dal. This is a very nice dish. Oh man, I love this. No more dal and rice anymore. It's cauliflower rice from now on. Gotta add some more dal to this. This is a very balanced, healthy recipe. The dal is very healthy for you. And the okra, oh man, I love this okra with this dal and this cauliflower. This is really nice. This is really delicious. This is really nice. I love this. I love it. Gotta have some more dal. Some more dal. Oh, this dal is so good. I haven't had dal in a long time. In the past, when I eat dal and rice, I get so tired. I want to rest. I want to sleep. And that's because of the carbs. But now with this, you don't feel that, you know, that heavy load on your stomach because you're not carrying a lot of carbs. The rice is what really makes you, the rice and the protein is what makes you feel that way. For a minute, I didn't even realize I was eating cauliflower. I thought I was eating dal and rice for a minute. It's really good. I really do hope you're inspired to make cauliflower rice and dal with fried okra. This is amazing. This is like one of my best dishes. I really like it. You could tell I'm enjoying it. The plate is empty. I can't stop eating it, how good it is. This is good.